Hey, look how far you've come. You should be proud of yourself. Congrats. Good job. Keep it up. Don't stop. You're a success story in progress and you're doing it. Okay. You are doing it. Congratulations on making it this far. You should be proud of yourself. I'm proud of you. Keep going. Don't stop. If you haven't already reached out to me, you already know you have office hours that you can reach out and ask for my help. If you just feel like, again, when I shared that scope of work with clients, they were like, we're not going to meet our deadline. It's okay. It's okay. It's a lot harder and it's easier when you see that published content that is stock. It's okay. Let's go. Just keep going, move forward with it. So, what I want to make this video about so that you can understand when it's time to publish your website, you just want to do two things that are really important because you want to track. You want to start tracking, which when you use a Wix, a Weebly, a Squarespace, they don't allow all those things to happen in a way that is for free and you can scale it. Look, this is what you got to do is go to Google consoles. I can't even say it. Good God. Let me just show you because I'm having problems with my words, but it's okay. We be all right. We're going to go to the Google search console and I would show you mine, but I don't want to show you any confidentiality clients work, so I don't want to jeopardize that because I start clicking and before I know it, I showed you something I shouldn't. But it is free. All you need to do is connect your domain, and if you use GoDaddy, they have a simple way for you to do that. You just start now, you sign in, and if there's issues on your site, it helps you fix it, which is good. It does help you understand the algorithm of your site, of who's going to it. And the cool thing is there's training and it's all for free. Now, this is a search console that can be also connected to your analytics. Now, your analytics, it's amazing how I just went to Google. Let me go to Google Analytics. And it's going to take you, see, it's taking me right to, it should give something similar, but it's going to my bookmark. And I'm fortunate because I want to, let's just say, what is Google Analytics? Because what I'm doing right now with you is what I would do with the client. And oh, whoops, let me back out of that. Let me go here. You see the support.google.com. That is what you want to see whenever you go into something with Google because they're not always the best if you hit contact us. But this is a little bit more in depth. Where you have the GA4 that was just kind of brought out a couple of years ago. And now, like, it took some time for people to start using it. But it's a little bit more intense than the Google Search Console. So you can use that if you want some help in regards to determining how to start measuring people that go to your site. We call this traffic. The traffic, ideally, at some point in time, you want it to convert to a clientele of some sort. Maybe it's you growing a newsletter or creating users. This is how you go about measuring how many people went to your page. Where did they come from? As in, like, where are they clicking from different countries? You know, when I first started, VPNs weren't a thing for private use. It was more so commercial. But now you have consumers using VPNs, especially with Starlink, with the Kuwait war, you know, so these are all things to consider as you get going. What does that look like when it comes to your site? Making sure that it's accessible to everyone. And when people go on there, they get what they're looking for. That's how you can really make sure your website is doing what it's supposed to. And then you don't get frustrated because it's not working out the way you thought. Which leads to number 2. Now, I'm going to show you one of the things that I said, hey, look, we are on desktop when we're creating this, but we fail to remember that we live in this world. This world, woo-wee, this world here. This world here is another story. So with that said, I do want to show you something to where I think everyone should look at when you are publishing your site. All right, so as you saw, I went back to the website, my website here, Don't get caught up in the code and all this other stuff. I said it's custom, it's not theme. But up top here, and this is Elementor, okay? This is Elementor right here. You have the desktop view, you have a tablet view, and as you can see how it's different, right? You don't see my picture anymore. And then we have the mobile view. What you want to do, and there I go, right there. You see all that? What you want to do is make sure when people go to your website, and let me tell you something that's bothering me, like these images. This is just killing me right now. But that's hidden. This is not, because we're working on it. But these images right here are something that annoys the bejesuses out of me. But this is mobile. This is tablet. And you can see here up to 1,000 pixels, okay? And so everyone has a different tablet, just like everyone has a different operating system. And what you want to do is get off a desktop ASAP, okay? Because when you on desktop, you don't think about the mobile experience. Just so you know, you're looking at this. This is our hidden. Let me get to what's not hidden. This is what it looks like. And so it's very, very much simple, a lot different of experience. But when you're looking at things on desktop, you're like, oh, let's go. This is easy. Let's keep it going. But look at the different platforms, because when you are considering hitting that publish button, you want to make sure you go to this and you say, okay, how does it look? And if you by chance use a form to collect information, or it's for someone to get emails, you want to make sure that form works. So there's 3 ways that we design, or I should say, we design a website. We, 1, make sure the functionality is good. 2, the aesthetics are good. And 3, it is universal. It goes on different devices. So that, and part of that too, aesthetics is grammar, but everyone's different. The way things are worded are different now. But the person that's building the site for functionality is not the same person that should check for grammar. Okay. And then the person that is testing, going through the run through, we call this UX, user experience. They're going to just make red Sharpie it up, break it if they can. You want to do that. No, I won't go back on, but you want to do that to ensure that when you hit publish, you're good to go. But remember what I said in the last video, it's 60 to 80% and your website's never done. As you saw how easy it was for me to build something and delete it, that's how fast you can do it. It's under 5 minutes. Don't get caught up on it. I've never, and I'm not going to, please don't ever try to do this on your phone. Always do it from a desktop of some sort, okay? So when it comes to publishing your site, be proud, be happy, share it. Go on there and tell people, and then look at your stats. Go see how people are engaging with it. When you publish a blog, put it out and let folks know. LinkedIn, Meta, wherever you want to do it, share it to the world. See who clicks on it. See if it's everything you want it to be. Don't hide behind it. Don't be scared to share it. Put it out there. Hit publish. And it is going to be phenomenal. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up. Make it happen. Share it with me. If by chance you need some help, hit me up. You got some office hours. All right. I can't wait to see it.